Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top stocks under $10. And yes, under $10, these stocks are going to carry more risk than traditional blue chip stocks. Not to mention, it's always smart to have a base of ETFs, bonds, or even blue chip stocks to kind of act as your defense, because a lot of these stocks are going to be pretty risky, but there is a lot of growth potential in them. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them in the comments down below. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, I do have a $5 course really explaining how to properly invest in the stock market. We talk about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and really everything you need for investing in the stock market. So make sure you guys check it out. It'll be the first link down below. So now it's time. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so starting off with the first company here, this is ticker symbol WIT. Now this is a cloud computing company, and the thing about that is that sector as itself is growing right around 14% each year. So this company is riding that wave. Not to mention, this company's gross profit has gone up around 5.8%, and the overall revenue is up around 3%. So this company is growing very, very fast, and I do think 2021 is going to perform very well for this company here. So looking at the chart here, you guys can see it does have some overall resistance here at $5.55, some support here at $4.46. Right now the stock's trading at $5. I do think this stock carries a lot of short-term and long-term potential. I would not be surprised if it climbs back up to the highs, and my price target for next year is right around $6.50 to $7. And right now with it being $5, that's going to be a good ROI on your investment. And I do think this whole sector is going to grow at a very, very rapid rate too. And I do think this is going to just ride the wave of that. So the next one here is UMC. You guys can see we do have a nice, beautiful upward trend in the stock price, very similar to WIT. This stock here is a semiconductor company. The net income is up over 210%, and the net profit is up as well. Same with the revenue, is up around 5% in the past quarter. So this company is doing very, very well too. Looking at support and resistance, you guys can see there's pretty much resistance here at $6, some more support here at $5.19. Resistance here at $4.73, and it really likes to use this 200 moving average line as some overall support when it's above it. So looking at it here, you guys can see it hit it and we got some sell off, and then we did get a break above it here. That's very, very strong. That was a very bullish move for UMC here. Now the company came in contact and hit this 200 moving average line again, and each time ever since we've gotten buying pressure. So I do think that would be a good opportunity. So set some alerts here at that 200 moving average line. I do think all of these stocks you guys can have the best strategy would pretty much be dollar cost averaging, so you get a good overall average price for your shares, and you don't have to try to time the market with this one. But both of these companies do carry a lot of potential, and they're in very fast growing fields. So this is a good sector too to look at. The next one here is BTG. This is B2Gold. Now the reason why I like this one is because 2021 is going to be a very unshaky time. And I do think gold is going to continue to grow. Not to mention, this stock is pretty much at a support line. It's right around that $6 mark. So I do think this stock does carry some short-term potential as well. And the overall trend of this stock is up. So we always hope the trend continues. Basic support is right around that $6 mark. Basic resistance is at $7.60. So mark out that support here. And you guys can see with that beautiful upward trend, we can get in and just ride the wave with gold. Gold has gone up right around 5% each year. So it's a pretty good investment if you ask me. And I do think 2021 is going to be a pretty shaky territory for the whole stock market. and I do think people are going to turn to gold for their investments. So these are going to be the top 3 investments for 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, make sure you guys smash that like button, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Also, go ahead and check out my podcast, The Carter Farr Show. There'll be a link down below for you guys that want to check it out. So now, we'll see you tomorrow. Roll the outro. Take care, guys. Bam.